Alright, what's up guys? Today we are out at Goat Farm in Greenmount, which is a little bit northeast of the Perth CBD, and we've only got about an hour and a half here. So we won't do that much. We'll probably do a bit of trails and a bit of skills. We're here with Fathom MTB, Oscar. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, we're at the top now. We're doing Blue Tongue. And yeah, let's get into it. It's really warm today, so it hasn't rained in a bit, so it's not incredibly nice. It's pretty loose, but it's better than Gungeon, so Gungeon would be terrible. We've got Oscar following in behind us, Fathom MTB. If you ever follow, subscribe. Good one. Oh my god. I haven't been here in a while. Last time I'm pretty sure was Wage. That was like well over a month ago. We didn't do Blue Tongue for Wage, so I haven't done it in like probably 2 months. Just wait up, Oscar.
On top there.
Nice. That's like a wee jump. Yeah, I sort of got that. Oh, pulled up way too much. At a little racer. Whoa, I'm scared out. Just go up down there. Whoa. That was a really bad line. Alright, I'm doing 2 jumps now. Right, let's continue on. Oh my god. Yeah, here's the next bit of tip. Right. Continue on. Oscar, we're pretty close to the end, I think. Oh yes. Yep, that side's a drop, kind of. Or just a really steep roll. And that is it right there. Alright guys, we're now out here at the skills park. I'm probably going to do mulch jump today. I'll probably roll it first, but yeah. Let's go. Right up. Right up. Almost. Right up. Oh my god. Fuck off. Oh, that was so... Right, now into the blue skills line. I just got swooped by him, baby. This is now like the bottom section of the black skills line. Right up. Oh, that was alright. Alright guys, that will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And follow Fathom MTB. His channel will be linked in the description. And see you in the next one.